Hey all, welcome to eShock Lifestyle Vlogs. In this video, I would like to share some information about the 7-seaters which comes under 4 meter in India, or we can say sub 4 meter 7-seater vehicles in India. So let's start this video. So here I already opened the website Carvale, so I am taking the details from this website. So first vehicle is Mahindra Bolero. So this is Mahindra Bolero. Here you can see the price starts with 9.26 lakhs. And these are the versions: B4, B6, B6 optional and all. So here is a mileage 16.7 kilometers per liter. And it's a 1500cc 3-cylinder diesel engine. So these are the available colors: mid silver, lakeside brown and diamond white. So this vehicle, this is one of the most popular SUVs in India, and it's a very good utility vehicle and one of the default choice of people of rural India. So this is a very good choice if you are looking for a 7-seater under 10 lakh rupees. And one more thing, this vehicle for a 5-seater, this is comfortable because the 7-seater option I'll show you. So this is how the seating arrangements are. This back seat, it is not that useful for adults. So these are for children for short journeys, because I think they are not providing seat belts also. So we can consider this as a occasional 7-seater. So this is vehicle 1. Next one is Renault Triber. So here you can see the Renault Triber. The price of this vehicle starts from 5.59 lakhs on the road. So this is Renault Triber. It's a 1000cc petrol engine, 3-cylinder petrol engine again. And this vehicle is available in it's available in automatic transmission also. So that variant recently they introduced into the market. So these are the available colors: ice cool white, moonlight silver, electric blue, fairy red, and one more is a metal mustard. So this metal mustard is the most popular color. This is a metal mustard vehicle. Okay, so that's about the vehicle. And the best part of this vehicle is this we can use as a complete 7-seater, because here the third row is completely usable and those are front facing seats. See, here you can see. So these are the third row seats. These 2 seats we can definitely use, and they are very much comfortable compared to the one in the Bolero. So this is Renault Triber, and the third vehicle is Mahindra TUV 300. I'm not talking about 3UV T00 plus. This is 3UV T00, the regular version. So the price starts with 9.91 lakh. So this is the vehicle, and this is again the same engine which we have already seen in the Bolero. So 1493cc or 1500cc vehicle, and the fuel efficiency is 18.49. and color options, I think they are not mentioned, the colors. Okay, anyways, this is the vehicle and this is the updated vehicle. So here also these are the third row seats, but the problem is again these are jump seats which are not that comfortable. So these are useful for children for shorter journeys. Still we can consider them as a 7-seater. Okay, now the next vehicle, let us see, Datsun Go Plus. So this is Datsun Go Plus. The base model of this vehicle costs 4.78 lakhs, and this vehicle is available in CVT. So that's a great advantage compared to other vehicles. And this is also this vehicle comes with 1200cc 3-cylinder petrol engine. So that Nissan engine it's a very good engine and a very reliable engine. And the fuel efficiency of this vehicle is 19.2 kilometers per liter. Okay, and it's a 1200cc engine, and mileage they mentioned is for petrol 19.02 and 18.57 for CVT. So these are the colors: ruby red, opal white, crystal silver, bronze gray, two more other, vivid blue, and sunstone brown. So these are the colors of this vehicle. And let us see whether they mentioned any third rows. Okay, here is the, so here are the third row seats, which are very small. Okay, here is the separate. So this is the third row seats, and these seats are actually useful for children only. But the best part is, compared to Mahindra, here they are providing seat belts. Even though they are lap seat belts, still it is better than Mahindra's one. And the Renault Triber, I think Renault Triber is providing 3-pointed seat belts. So that is the best 7-seater under 4 meters. Okay, so this is the dashboard design of Datsun Go Plus. So it's completely changed. Before there was a open glow box, now it's changed, and they added one touch screen which is there in the Renault Triber also. Same thing only. Okay, so that's about Datsun Go Plus. Now let us see which is another vehicle. Okay, KUV 300 is there, but that's not a 7-seater, that's a 6-seater. Okay, the price of this vehicle starts from 6.38 lakh. Now that vehicle is available only in petrol, so it's a 1200cc petrol engine. The fuel efficiency of this vehicle is very poor. I think many people were complaining about the fuel efficiency. Here also they did not mention anything about that. I think people are getting only single-digit fuel efficiency, so I'm not going into deep onto all those things. So these are the color options of this vehicle. Here I can see red, white, gray, silver, and some dual colors. Okay, now you may be thinking how this vehicle has become a 6-seater. Now I'll show you. Here you can see the gear lever is on the dashboard, and this is a bench seat. So that's how they converted it into a 6-seater. I'll show you here also. You can see. So this is a passenger seat, this is a driver seat, and this is not an armrest. This can be used as an armrest as well as a seat. So if you just turn this upside, we can use it as a seat, and they are providing a lap seat belt also. So that's an advantage for children. If you have small children, they can sit there, and the space can be used. And the advantage of this vehicle compared to other 7-seaters is, even though if 6 people are sitting, you will get a decent boot space. So that's a value addition compared to other vehicles. Also, in the rear seats, they are providing armrest also. So that's another advantage of this vehicle. For just this much price, for 6.38 lakhs, they are providing this many features. Okay, so that is another vehicle. And let us see if there are any vehicle which I missed. This Mahindra TUV, Mahindra Nuvo Sport was there. That vehicle they discontinued. Also Mahindra discontinued a Conto, which was the shorter version of Silo. So that vehicle also is not available now. So I think these are the available options. Okay, one more is there, the most popular Maruti Suzuki Eco. So this is a 7-seater. Here the price starts with 4.35 lakhs. Okay, so this here you can see 5-seater, 7-seater, but the disadvantage is for 7-seater they are not providing air conditioner. Only for 5-seater AC is available. Fuel efficiency is 16.1, and it's a rear wheel drive vehicle. Also this vehicle does not comes with power steering, so that's a big disadvantage. And the advantage of this vehicle is now Maruti did some changes to the structure, and also they added some safety features like airbags, then ABS, and also rear parking sensors. So definitely you can consider this vehicle, but it's more of an utility vehicle. So we cannot, or many people won't like that image as a family vehicle or a passenger vehicle. So here I can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the sixth seat is this middle. Okay, so total it's a, so this is also 7-seater, and this, I think this is the cheapest 7-seater available in India. Okay, so that's all about this video. So this video is about 7-seater vehicles which comes under 4 meters, or we can say sub 4 meter 7-seater vehicles, 7 or 6 seaters in India. So I started the video with Mahindra Bolero, then Renault Triber, then Mahindra TUV 300, Datsun Go Plus, Mahindra KUV 100 NXT, and the final one is Maruti Suzuki Eco. So in my opinion, the best one is the Renault Triber. So this is the most comfortable 7-seater under 4 meters. So my choice is definitely Renault Triber. And if utility is your primary thing, then Mahindra Bolero or Mahindra TUV 300, both are fine. So from Mahindra Bolero and TUV, I'll definitely go with TUV because it's a bit more better vehicle, even in looks and fit and finish also. So the newer this TUV, which is definitely an upmarket vehicle compared to Bolero. Okay, so this is my second choice, and third one is Mahindra Bolero. So compared to other vehicles, not with Triber or with TUV, compared to other vehicles, Bolero is much more utilitarian and also much more better vehicle. Even though we cannot say it's a complete 7-seater, but still it's a decent vehicle compared to Datsun Go Plus or Mahindra's own KUV 100, or even with Maruti Eco. I could have selected Maruti Eco, but the problem is Eco is like, it's a very basic minimalistic vehicle. So I feel there is it's not that fair comparing Eco with other better vehicles. So these are my choices. First one is Renault Triber, second one is Mahindra TUV 300, and third one is Mahindra Bolero. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.